You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Today we're going to check out Connetix Pro Constructor Set. Yeah.
I was having lunch with the guys and gals over at Brave Toys, our friends over there, and in the conference room, they bring in this beautiful spread. It was delicious. One of them playing with this like airplane-looking thing. I'm like, what is that? He said, it's this Kinetics line, and I said, you got to send that to LPS-Dave. I think he'd like that.
Very nice.
So we'd like to thank them for sending that.
We appreciate it.
And for lunch, my gullet is still full.
And for free.
And for free.
And by the way, there's a shadow here. Shadow.
Secret.
Because there's a much bigger set.
Whoa! Look at that.
They sent us to check out.
That's a monster LPS.
Now, I haven't officially decided. I think I might want to just build the plane. But I want to show this set. This is the Kinetics Where Play and Learning Kinetics.
It's 122 pieces, LPS-Dave.
I might have to do this one alone so I can stay focused.
It's got light up balls. You know that if that's the case, then I'm going to be so distracted.
Yeah, magnetic tiles, bright ball run pack, strong magnets, rivets for extra safety,
Love rivets.
Unique bevel design, food grade, non-toxic, scan for more build ideas. Ages 3+.
3+, that's good.
Let us see what's on the back. There's always more information there.
Steam mesh.
All right, so we get 40 of these, 60 of these, 8 of those, 8 balls, 2 of those, and then all the tubes. Colors may vary. Kinetics are award-winning magnetic tiles designed to spark creativity and imagination as children grow and develop.
It's a spark.
STEAM.
I know
Science, technology, engineering, art, mathematics. Seamlessly integrate STEAM learning concepts to inspire children to learn through open-ended play.
My training that I went through in school was called STEAK, not STEAM.
Yeah. What is steak? What is the acronym to steak?
It's sushi, tacos, and I think the E was for, what's the E
Eat?
for? It was eat. Right in the middle was eat.
Yeah,
You're right,
yeah.
right. And then a lot,
Eat a lot.
and then
K.
nap, but it was
Okay.
spelled with a K, just to make it work.
I got you. Like Knap.
Knap.
All right. MESH, mental, emotional, social health. Now, each of those little bullet points has
Mine
more...
was mash, by the way.
Mash.
Mash. We would take the food, we'd mash it together.
Potato mash.
I'm sorry, LPS-Dave. Continue.
So there's a lot there. Force, gravity, and motion, geometry, measurement patterns, spatial awareness, fine and gross motor skills. Ooh,
Gross.
Creativity, design, flexible thinking, cognitive development, teamwork, self-regulation, resilience, perseverance, problem solving, communication, everything we want.
It's all in this box.
I think so.
It's amazing, LPS-Dave.
Part of the pieces.
Wow.
All right, well, let's do this. We're done checking this out. I'll have more information in the description. Let's check out the Pro Constructor Set. Okay, this is the Connetix Pro Constructor Set.
Now let me ask LPS-Dave. I'm not an official pro. I'm an amateur. Is it okay if I watch?
Well, this one's ages 8+. The other one was, what, 3+.
Right. I'll stand back.
70 pieces.
I'll let you handle the hard stuff.
Magnetic tiles. 360-degree smart spin technology. Ultra strong magnetos.
Wow, we got to be careful with the steel plate in my head, LPS-Dave.
Okay, so go over the parts there. What do we get?
Oh my goodness. I see 10 of those and 24 of those and 8 of those and 2 of those and 8 of those and 4 of those and 4 of those and 10 of those.
And tile colors may vary.
They may vary.
Now, you don't have to build just the ship. You can build a crane, a castle,
All from this one set.
and a Mr. Roboto.
Wow, so cool, LPS-Dave.
Rotate magnets 360 degrees. Construct on new angles. Offset tiles for more possibilities.
I like that. I like more possibilities.
Yeah, well, let's get this out of the box.
You're not
and
going to
check
ask me
it
to read all that fine print, are you?
Nah, too small.
Good.
out. Okay, fresh.
I'm anticipating something great here, LPS-Dave. Careful.
I was thinking about building a doghouse. I don't know. Something says build a doghouse. But then the ship looks really cool. Oh, let us...
Oh, man.
That's that.
Smell
when you
like-
first take the cover off. And then we have
That Connetix Pro smell.
our Carborio sheet and a card.
Got
in
a
the
card
middle.
out
It says Kinetics Pro.
Fancy.
Very fancy. And here's the tiles.
Look at that. It's well built, LPS-Dave. You can tell. Well put together.
Yes, and the tray is really nice. I'll let you put them all back where they originally were.
Oh, boy. Good luck with that.
Let me just check. I don't think there's nothing underneath.
That's
So
LPS-Dave.
Instructions are probably online. Does it say that anywhere? Oh, probably this. You could probably.
I'm guessing there's one of those fancy codes.
Fancy codes. Ooh, that sound of closing the box too. All right, so let's just take a look. What were they talking about? Rotate magnets 360 degrees.
Those are strong magnets, LPS Dave. I can feel it.
Listen to that clicky sound up here. I'll do it up here. That's cool.
Wow. So there's no glue involved in this one.
No glue.
And no duct tape.
No duct tape.
Wow. How in the world are they going to work? Is there any caulk?
No.
No caulk.
No glue.
Huh.
Magneto.
So is that the idea? You just make a big mess of it, and then it looks a little different than on the box, I have to say.
Well, I just wanted to sort them all out for you by shape and design. Now, that sounded... Oh, so when you have more than one in a stack...
They're really strong.
See that? You don't get that click. Now take this one out. Take this one out.
It's fascinating. Seems like you're using all your muscles to get those things apart.
It does take a bit to get them apart. I just want to see something. So they'll stick like that, right?
Oh, I see a doghouse being built. I see the beginnings of a doghouse.
They'll stick like that.
Wow, that really pops.
I think it's more like a dog pen.
I like it, LPS Dave. Freedom.
Oh, no attraction. No attraction.
Interesting. Like reverse magnets. It's like a free-range dog pen, LPS Dave.
Ooh.
How far away can you throw it and make it stick?
Yeah, I've done that before with these. Okay, look, we're...
Wow, they don't like each other.
Look at that.
Amazing, LPS Dave. I'm getting a little weepy here. This is taking shape as my new home. I love it, LPS Dave.
I think it's great. We're going to give you a little bed.
Wow. I should have nothing metal on my person when I'm sleeping.
Take off all metal. Here's your pillow.
That looks comfy.
Now we need a chair. We're going to give you a unique chair.
Oh, well, I like that.
Whoa! Oh! Oh, I like that shape. Look at that. Do I have any more triangles? This one right here. Maybe that's better for a bed. Huh?
Cool, LPS Dave. I like it.
Now I'm just going to start tossing things in and see how they land.
There it is. I was going to say, can you get any on the top shelf? There you go,
look at
LPS
that.
Dave. Nicely done.
Now, there's nothing in there that says I'm allowed to do this.
Well, there's no instructions.
Ooh, side
Wow.
sticker.
Wow.
Ooh. Ooh.
This stick. Nice one, LPS Dave.
Off the wall. Ooh, over the top. Ooh.
I'm really liking the eclectic design of my dog pen here, LPS
This is kind of what your room looks like
Very
anyway.
nice. It's looking very familiar. Oh, I got it.
That corner is getting over. Ooh.
He does not want to stick there.
That's
cool. Cool up there, Dave. I like it.
Let us look at the shot.
Incoming.
Oh. I see this as the tip of the ship.
Nice.
Okay? Tip of the ship. Then I see rectangulars. Where are the rectangulars? I'm not seeing this super long one. Look at this shape right here. Is it a? It must be a square.
That's a square LPS-Dave.
And I can always count on you to confirm my suspicions.
My geometry is on point. I see how it's angled like that. I like that.
That is the nose of the
it.
ship. Now, as to the final process here, there's no way of knowing. But let's just say we take this one here. And this one here. Okay, and it looks like they go 3 rows.
I see it.
Okay, so there's 3 rows. And then there's something underneath. Maybe one of these is to give it the base down here. Maybe not. It kind of sticks out a little. Let's fill these in though, huh?
You know what's
That's
cool
cool.
about this LPS,
No, tell me
Dave,
what's cool
is
about
that it's not held together with anything that's unusable. So in 8 seconds, you can crumble this up and start over again.
Yes. Here we are to save the day.
It's really taking shape, LPS, Dave.
One more triangle.
Gotta be in there.
There it is. There it is to save the day. Does this fit in there? Well, I'll be.
How about that?
Well, I'll be.
Look at that, LPS, Dave.
I'll be a ship. And then I'm feeling that there's some of these.
Couple of those,
Some
couple of
these.
squares
I believe
in the
this
middle.
is going to go here. But halfway. You see?
Minor adjustments.
You see the chip? There it is.
It seems like it's almost like it's clicking into place too. It's fascinating how
There's
the sound
clicking
works.
going on. There's a lot of clicking. Click, 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 click.
They're not like that. Compromise.
My rule,
Custom.
my rule, my ship.
Somehow there's 2 of those squares in that one, LPS, Dave.
Yeah,
Doesn't seem
Little
like that
ones.
would fit all little ones.
I'm making something else. So I have to
Gotcha.
go on. I have to go on to a new type of ship.
Those are its ears.
No, that's the cool jet fin. Fin of a jet.
Click, 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 click.
Are you feeling it? Are you understanding where I'm going?
I
with
love it,
this?
LPS, Dave. I want to get in and fly.
There we go. Now we need to build up the middle just a little. I think I like these. We're going to use these as
Exhausts.
Yeah, exhausts. I like that.
Wow.
Can you pick it up? No. Don't attempt
Unclick.
to pick it up.
unclick.
Ooh, now you know what we need? That's where it's got to go. That's where it's got to go.
The magnets kind of find their own spot.
Yeah, look at it. It moves. Whoa. Whoa.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
That's okay. I just...
Magnet down.
There. There's the turbo boosters.
Awesome, LPS-Dave.
We have turbo boosters.
Uh-huh.
You want to build up this? Ooh, now we're getting some stickage.
Right, it sticks to the
There's
sides.
stickage.
Uh-huh.
Well, actually, that looks good under there. It's like we can turn.
Rudders.
Yeah. That's cool. That is cool. I think I want something not here. Not there. Yeah, let's put it right there. Let me know when you're having fun yet.
I love it, LPS-Dave. The creative juices are flowing in the shop.
Something is flowing, yes. I don't think anything will stick in here. Let's build this up.
Cargo hold.
Yeah, more like a seat.
trunk.
That's where you're going to sit.
Ah.
Ooh, I like that.
Those reverse magnets are powerful.
These are very powerful magnets.
They kind of decide who they want to stick to.
Yes. Okay. One final top thin. There we go.
Cool, LPS-Dave.
What would you call that ship?
Oh boy, a lot of words are flowing forward that are inappropriate to say right now, LPS-Dave.
Well,
but I
that's
would just
terrible.
say fantastic. Look at the creativity, LPS-Dave. It's amazing.
Well, you can build anything.
It's amazing.
You can build anything you want with Kinetics Pro Construction Set. All right, now we need to crash the ship.
Oh, nice.
Let's see. Here we go. Oh, by the way, thanks for watching, everybody. We appreciate you taking part in this experiment of lots of different things. What was one experiment we were doing here? Magnets?
Magnets.
North Pole, South Pole? Attraction? Retraction? What is it?
I think we were writing a thesis on the connection between a magnet drawing itself to another magnet and my relationship with you, LPS-Dave.
Really?
How from my direction it's like glue, like super hard magnet, and sometimes from the other direction when I irritate you it's like a reverse magnet. Like, go away!
But as you can see, we're together with the Connetix set, and
We go together, LPS-Dave. We stick together like a Kinetics
sticking
magnet.
together. So you can spin them. That's the 3D magnetic 360 degrees. Then you can change angles. Wow, that's really neat. I really like this set.
The sounds are very important. They're very good, LPS-Dave.
They are. I think the auditory stimulation is really cool. Okay, I'm going to crash the ship. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video. We had fun making it.
We did. Thanks to Brave.
Later.
Thanks to Brave Twins.
Yeah, we did say that earlier.
Yeah. Bye-bye, everybody.
Okay, are you ready?
Ready. Crash it, LPS-Dave.
Oh, I got
Push
to
it up.
lift
Pick
it.
it up.
I'm going to try. Oh, it's close.
Uh-oh.
Here we go.
Uh-oh.
I got 90% of the ship. And we're ready to land. Okay. Incoming, Butch!
Heads up, everybody!
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.